Today I want to show you how to make a beautiful boscaiola. The key ingredients are beautiful mushrooms and these Italian sausages. You can use any mushrooms, but if you find meaty mushrooms such as king oyster or oyster mushroom, they will be perfect. With this mushroom, you don't even need to use a knife. Just literally pull them like this. Start by adding a good amount of olive oil. Mushroom goes in. Nice pinch of salt. Freshly ground black pepper. Let's prepare the sausage. Make a straight cut long ways and take the meat out. And look, that's what we're looking for. Nice and golden. Once they're nice and golden, take them out. Sausage in the pan. With a wooden spoon, just break it down into small pieces. Then we go in with the onions. Mushroom goes back in now. Go with a good glug of wine. I like it in white sauce, so I'm gonna use fresh cream. Make sure you taste it for seasoning. Pasta is ready, straight to the sauce. Eat off, good pinch of parsley, Parmesan cheese. If you were looking for comfort food this winter, this is it. There is literally 7 ingredients between you and this pasta.